slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Fill from here to this side, okay? It will fill from here to here, okay? So what is the advantage of you even playing the game? So as you continue to play the game, you upgrade, okay? You upgrade on your earnings, okay? The amount you earn hourly, you upgrade upon it. So let me go to the file set and show you there. Okay, you have the levels here. So stone level, you can claim 0.0000600 cents USDT, okay, every hour. Once you reach the iron level, you can claim 0.001200 USDT. Once you reach bronze, you can claim 0.02400 USDT. And once you reach silver, you can claim 0.007200 USDT. Once you reach gold, you can claim 0.028800 USDT. And platinum, you can earn 0.144000 USDT. And once you reach on diamond, you can claim 0.864000 USDT. And when you reach master level, and you can earn 6.048000 USDT every hour. So assuming you have taken time to play their games and you have reached master level, and you can claim 6 USDT every hour without any investment, okay? You can just take time to redeem your points, and once you accumulate enough coins, you can use them for games, okay? So to play the games, you click on the 3 lines here, and then you click there and select games. Okay, once you select games, these are the available games. Okay, so these games are played on daily basis, and you just have to select the one you like best and you play. Okay, yes, and yes, you select the one you can play, and you can deposit and you can also withdraw. So maybe you want to upgrade to the you want to upgrade your levels, and maybe the coins you are accumulating isn't enough. You can just do deposit. Okay, you can deposit money into this platform and use it to play your games and earn, and so that you can upgrade your level faster. Also, we have service that you can also earn from it. Okay, so you complete your profile. So this CPX research would look to your profile and give you available. You see, right now I don't have any service available, and you can take service from Base Labs. Okay, so you just take so publisher not verified. Okay, so me this publisher has not verified, so I'll later when they verify, I can also go there to perform task. Okay, so earlier when I started the video, you remember I told you can create multiple accounts, and this one of my accounts that I have used my own link or my own referral link to create. Okay, and you see I already have $1 here and some cents that I can withdraw, because the minimum withdrawal for this website is 1 USDT. Okay, so one aspect that I've been earning this money, the last time I just withdrew 25 US dollar. Okay, from this website. Okay, so this one, you see time war, you see this time war. Yes, I will advise you, if you want to make money, just stay focused to it. Okay, stay keen to it so that you can earn massively from it. Okay, so you click on this time war and it will open down here. Okay, it will open down here. Okay, so you see this time war, if you are new and you open, they will ask you to sign up. So make sure you use your email that you have used to create this platform. Okay, you are using on this platform. So maybe you are using your email that you are maybe you are using two emails, so but all these two emails have been used to create accounts on USDT paid website. You can use any of that email address and then use it to create account on Time Warp. So they have 15-minute service that I can partake, and I'll earn 18,090 points. Okay, and this sites have their own withdrawal limit, and that's 500 points. Okay, so and I also have this 17,190 coins 0.7, that's also 15 minutes length. I can't take 15 minutes to do survey, so I'll teach you a few tricks on how you can earn. So you see where they've written survey automatically. When you come to this website or you click on the tax wall, the time wall, it will be on survey. So you got to switch to task. You have task that you can perform. Okay, so this is how you perform your task. You click on the task, okay, and you see we have a lot of tasks available. Okay, we have a lot of tasks available. So from the task, you look at the one you can do best. Okay, so let's see this one that is offering 8,344 points. So summarize. Okay, so to sign up plus free tutorial plus screenshot. Okay, so let's see if we can do this. Let's tap on view. So when you want to partake, you tap on view. Okay, so you read every information and instructions very carefully. Go to this link. This is the link provided. So you have to visit this link. Once you tap on it, it will take you there. Okay, it will take you there, and so click on this link image banner. Then at the bottom of the post, this is the instructional. So go to this link And step 2, click on the image banner, okay, at the bottom of the post. And 3 says a new site will open. Scroll down and click on start a free trial. Enter your email and password to create an account. After verification code is sent to your mailbox, use it to verify your address. Then click on get a free trial after answering some questions. Enter your payment details, but you will not be charged anything after activating your free trial and start your free trial. Proof of submission. So proof required: 1. Send screenshot of the email confirming successfully for 3 free trial subscription showing the date and time. See example. So if you use this link that they have provided, you see example of the proof they want. And if you are ready to start this task, proceed. So you gotta click on the box here, okay, you're gonna click on the box and then you start. But I'm not ready to start because I don't wanna do this, okay, I don't wanna do this. So let me go back to the task list and select a simple one so that you can do it. Let's scroll through. So all these tasks you can do, okay. So join Telegram money docs. No, I don't want to join any group. So I say this one, sorry, give your honest feedback, okay. So let's try this one, okay, let's try this one. Give your honest feedback, okay. So let's view the instructions if you can partake, okay. So instruction number 1 say go to this website. This is the provided link. Give your feedback by reading the content of the post. Please follow all steps. Share your screenshot of feedback. Bad and indecent comments are not acceptable. Proof of submission. Share your screenshot of feedback and share WhatsApp number, okay. If you are ready to start, click here. So let's click here. I just want to show you how you can complete task successfully, okay. So this one, they say we should complete this captcha. Let's verify. Okay, so the captcha is verified successfully. So let's click on the link. We have clicked on the link. Follow all steps. Click me. Give 5-star rating. So just click me and then give 5-star rating with comment, okay. So you scroll down. So I'll make your payment as soon as possible, okay. So let's get review. Okay, so let's go back. So step 1 say we should click on the generate review button. So generate review, okay. And then step 2, best Indian sentence advice, okay. So step 2, click on the button to copy. So copy. So we have copied whatever they gave us. And step 3, click on the button below to paste. So give review. So let's come here. Let's give this app 5-star. Okay, let's give this 5-star. Please stay tuned. This is how you will complete your task. Okay, let's give this 5-star. Guys, we have given our review. Let's paste whatever. So this is the what we copied, we paste, and then we upload, we are sending. Okay, so after this, don't do anything, just take screenshots. Okay, take screenshots. Okay, once you take your screenshots, you are done, and then you come back to this Chrome where we are doing our task, and then you go back, just click on back, and it will take you to the. So let's go to time war. Okay, we are on time war, and this is the task we are doing. Okay, so sorry, we didn't finish. Let's go here. Okay, so okay, then tap subscribe. Okay, let's see. So let's go back to here. So proof, this proof, they said they will need your share your screenshot of feedback. Okay, so let's paste whatever they gave us here. You just paste what you copied from clipboard there, and you upload your image. Let's upload. Please, this task is lengthy. Okay, some tasks are shorter than this. Let me off this thing. Let's tap on done, and it has been uploaded. Okay, the screenshots have been uploaded, and we tap on submit for approval. Okay, so as you embedded page at time wall. Okay, so our pending points have been approved, and pending points, they are points that once you complete a task, you get when the points are not yet reviewed. Okay, so this one, the task will be reviewed, and once they approve the task, you will see the points will move to approved points, and once it moves to approved points and I reach 500 points, I will just hit on these 3 lines at the left bottom, and you tap on the withdraw here, and you can withdraw. Okay, you will see withdraw, and you tap on it, and it will be withdrawn to your account. Okay, so once you've done all this, you can just withdraw your funds by clicking on the withdraw to. Then you paste, maybe you want to withdraw all your money, you click on maximum, and then you copy your address from your US account. Okay, so sorry, your USDT or US dollar account, or your Binance or your Bybit account. Okay, so if you don't have Bybit or Binance, I'll drop the link under the description of this video, so that you can also download it, and you can withdraw your funds once you accumulate enough points or you get enough money to withdraw. Okay, so you select your network here, and then the network is BNB Smart Chain. Okay, BEP20. So you just copy your address from Binance, you paste it here, and then you tap on withdraw, and your money will be withdrawn to your account. Okay, if you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, follow for more, and share it to your friends so that they can also benefit from this video. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.